the Campus Insider Studios. I'm Jordan Cornette. It's preview time, and we're talking Atlantic 10. Okay, you've had VCU, you've had LaSalle, you've had Dayton. Per usual, once again, the Atlantic 10 will be making some noise come March Madness time. My surprise team out of the Atlantic 10, it's the UMass Minutemen. Yes, Chaz Williams is gone. The Energizer Bunny who could fill it up fast. Well, Derek Gordon in his junior season will have to improve, averaging just a shade under double figures a season ago. In Williams' absence, he's going to have to be special. Down low, Caddy Lalane. This guy battled injury throughout his first 3 seasons. If he can remain healthy, this guy can be a difference maker. These guys will have to be consistent all season long. If they can be, watch out. The JC Guarantee VCU, the Commonwealth, returns to the Final Four under Shaka Smart. This team has it all. They've got great defense, led by the nation's leader in steals, Briante Weber. They have a wealth of athleticism on this roster. They have toughness, and they rebound. The guy to really look out for that's going to be special in his sophomore season, Jaquan Lewis. This team has it all, and most importantly, a chip on their shoulder having the early exit last year to Stephen F. Austin. Watch out for Shaka Smart's Rams. Well, I told you the A-10's guaranteed to make some noise in March, and it starts with that team that's going all the way to the Final Four. Shaka Smart's VCU intense defense leads them down to Indy. I believe Dayton gets in as well, that spread offensive attack under Coach Miller. And UMass, with a surprise performance this year from Derek Gordon, gets there as well. These 3 teams go. I put it on VCU to get to the Final Four. For all things college hoops, stick with us here at Campus Insiders. We got your previews, baby.